Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to insert SIM card and SD card in your OnePlus Nord N20 SE. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this OnePlus Nord N20 SE and you are looking for how to insert SIM card and SD card. In order to insert SIM card or SD card or removing SIM card, SD card, any smartphone, I will definitely suggest you to switch off that phone and then try to insert SIM card or removing. So I'm going to turn off my OnePlus N20 SE and then I'm going to insert SIM card and SD card. So in OnePlus N20 SE, in this left side you will get a SIM card and SD card tray. So we're going to use we need to use this ejector to removing this SIM tray. So I'm going to use this SIM tray to push over there, and after push over there we'll see there will be a SIM tray come out. Now here you can easily insert your 2 nano SIM card and 1 SD card. So I'm going to placement my 2 nano SIM card just like this, and then I'm going to placement my another nano SIM card. So you have to placement just like this, and then also I'm going to placement my SD card. So this is my SD card, so I'm going to placement right over here. You can see I had successfully placement my SD card and 2 nano SIM card, and then I'm going to return back this SIM tray. So within this simple way you can easily insert SIM card and SD card in your OnePlus Nord N20 SE. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.